Assalamualaikum student, welcome to the e-classes of Sufa English High School. This is continuing of geography chapter number 1. Today I will going to teach you about meridians of longitude. So let's start. You will realize that the lines drawn from points A, B and C make angle at M, the center of the earth of the plane of the equator. Through these points we can draw semicircle joining both the poles. Starting with point A, we can draw similar semicircle through points placed at each degree. These semicircles are known as meridians of longitude. AMC, it makes an angle. Okay, so I show you in the diagram. It's AMC. Now center of the earth on the plane. It's AM, center on the plane of the equator. Through this point we can draw semicircle. Through this point we can draw semicircle. We have already drawn the semicircle joined with the poles. Now starting with the point A. Starting with the point A, we can draw semicircle. We can draw semicircle. Similar semicircle through point place at each degree. Now we have drawn both the sides semicircle. Their circles are known as meridian of longitude. Now what do you mean by meridians of longitude? A meridian is a half of an imaginary great circle on the earth's surface terminated by the north pole and the south pole, connecting points of equal longitude as measured in angular degree, east or west of the prime meridians. Now I will show you the prime meridians. One of these meridian is considered to be 0 degree. This is prime meridians is 0 degree. It is known as prime meridians. Now this is the prime meridians. This is the prime meridians. It is said that 0 degree meridians are always measured in degree. The circle that divide the earth in the eastern and western hemisphere, okay, that is called meridians. Now all meridians are of equal size. Always remember, all meridians are of equal size. The angular distance of the other meridians from the prime meridians are measured in degree. Now as I told you, meridians are always measured in degree and are called longitude. You have done this in the activity based on figure 1.9. The 0 degree and 180 degree meridians lie opposite on the globe, forming a circle. I will show you in the diagram. Forming a circle. This is globe and we have already formed a circle. It's a circle, okay. On the globe, the circle divides the earth in the eastern and western hemisphere, okay. All meridians are equal in size. Meridians in the eastern hemisphere are labeled as 10 degree east. जो ईस्ट की तरफ है. If you want to check the degree, that will be the first 10 degree, then 25 degree east. It is are called eastern hemisphere. 135 degree east. Now while in the western hemisphere they are labeled as 10 degree west, east, west. Okay, this is 10 degree east, 25 degree east, and this is 10 degree west, 25 degree west. Why is it written 10 degree west? Because it is western hemisphere. Because it is western hemisphere. 135 degree, 25 degree west, 135 degree west. Same whether it is western or eastern, you will always label the example like 10 degree east or 10 degree west. Now 30 degree east is the semicircle that join all places at an angular distance of 30 degree. At an angular distance of 30 degree from the prime meridians. Some of them are Cairo, Harare and Durban in Africa. See figure 1.6. Join all the places at an angular distance of 30 degree. Now that I have already told, the latitude will all be 30 degree each from the prime meridians. This is the prime meridian 30 degree. Where is prime meridian? Prime meridian. This is okay. Some of them are Cairo, Harare, Durban is 30 degree. Okay, in Africa, Durban in Africa. Now prime meridian, some of them are Cairo, there are the 30 degree. This will also be, Durban will also be 30 degree. So student, I hope you understand. It is enough for today. Thank you.